Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is vitamin C. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is vitamin C? Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. It is needed for normal growth and development. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water. Leftover amounts of vitamin leaves the body through the urine. Although the body keeps a small reserve of these vitamins, they have to be taken regularly to prevent a shortage in the body. Function. Vitamin C is needed for the growth and repair of tissues in all parts of your body. It is used to form an important protein called collagen used to make its skin, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. Heals wound and forms scar tissue, repair and maintain cartilage, bones, and teeth, aid in the absorption of iron. Vitamin C is one of the many antioxidants. Antioxidants are nutrients that block some of the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are made when your body breaks down food or when you are exposed to tobacco smoke or radiation. The buildup of free radicals over time is largely responsible for the aging process. Free radicals may play a role in cancer, heart disease, and conditions like arthritis. The body is not able to make vitamin C on its own. It does not store vitamin C. It is therefore important to include plenty of vitamin C containing foods in your daily diet. For many years, vitamin C has been a popular household remedy for common cold. Research shows that most people, vitamin C supplements or vitamin C rich foods do not reduce the risk of getting the common cold. However, people who take vitamin C supplements regularly might have slightly shorter colds or somewhat milder symptoms. Taking vitamin C supplement after a cold starts does not appear to be helpful. So what are the sources of vitamin C? All fruits and vegetables contain some amount of vitamin C. Fruits with the highest content of vitamin C include cantaloupe, citrus fruits and juices such as orange and grapefruit, kiwi fruit, mango, papaya, pineapple, strawberries, raspberry, blueberries, and cranberries, watermelon. For the vegetable, we have here the highest source of vitamin C include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower. Green and red pepper, spinach, cabbage, turnip greens, and other leafy greens. Sweet and white potatoes, tomatoes, and tomato sauce. Winter squash. Some cereals and other foods and beverages are fortified with vitamin C. Fortified means a vitamin or mineral has been added to the food. Check the product labels to see how much vitamin C in the product. So the best sources of vitamin C are uncooked or raw fruits and vegetables. Cooking vitamin C rich foods or storing them for a long period of time can reduce the vitamin C content. Microwaving and steaming vitamin C rich foods may reduce cooking losses. Exposure to light can also reduce vitamin C content. Choose orange juice that is sold in carton instead of a clear bottle. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is vitamin C is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.